Una sa lahat, salamat sa Panginoon kasi ito naman, it was about 2 years ago when I started checking kung saan nakatira yung mga mini-mission namin. And merong isang family in particular na talagang na-touch yung heart ko because they were living in a very tiny area with almost nothing at wala ring kuryente. And I couldn't imagine how they managed to survive the extreme heat na meron tayo sa Pilipinas during summer. And I prayed to God and began setting aside what I could. And actually, I even stopped using my car para lang makasave ng gas, makasave ng pera. And then I went around searching for solar-powered electric fan tsaka ilaw. But nakakita ako, it were quite expensive. So, nag-save ako ulit. So, ganun lang, bit by bit, nakakapag-save. And finally, when I had enough, yun nga, bumili ako. And that night, I was so excited to bring it to them. And it was one of the most fulfilling moments of my life to see their joy and to know that I was able to be part of the answered doon sa prayers nila. And God truly uses us for His children. And He moves through us to reach and help His people. Ganun lang talaga. Magpagamit talaga tayo. And yun, simula noon, nagpatuloy na kami na nagpatuloy. At kung makikita nyo sa mga pictures, parami ang mga natutulungan. At parami rin ang ang mga nag-sponsors that time. So talagang God is so beautiful. God is our provider. And siya lang ang nag-iisang Panginoon.